Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jojo and today we are on day 11 of the 12 days of Christmas giveaways, and our sponsor for today's video is Daisies Kitchenwares. So they are a page on Facebook and they do sell different items that you can use in your spaces. So if you'd love to see the items that they have and what they are giving away, make sure you stay tuned up until the end and you get to see the beautiful item that they will be giving away to one lucky person. So without wasting more time, let's get into their page. So their page is Daisies Kitchenwares on Facebook, and they do have a lot of items that they are selling for your kitchen. So for instance, we have these kitchen tissue towels and they come in different colors and they are quite affordable. For those who are hosting, this will be a very good item for you. So you can put your cocktail, you can do like your lemonade, your juice, anything. You can place it here and serve this to your guests. And this is a very stylish way of doing it. So if you don't have a way of storing your eggs, this could be a good way to do that. And they have silicone spoon sets, different colors, so depending on your theme. And then we have these food covers. This is a very good idea. You can cover this on your dining table if you're not eating right away, and maybe even the serving dish that you're using, if it doesn't have a lid, you can use this to cover. And you can see that it has the aluminium inside, so definitely that is to keep the food warm so that it doesn't get cold easily. And then we have some sink strainers. This is a very useful tool for you. At least you're assured that your sinks are not going to be blocked, since this thing collects everything that would go down your sink. So we have the spoon sets in different colors. We have this drying tray, and you can see that it's foldable, so meaning if you want to put it away, it's an easy way of saving space in your space. We have stands for your fridge, for your washing machine, for your cooker. So if you'd love to move things around, you can wheel them with this. We have trolleys that you can organize anything. You can do like your groceries in here. You can do like your spices. If you don't have storage space, this could be a good storage item. We have this tissue holder. So they do have a lot of items. If you're looking for plastic items to store your cereals, like your dengu, your beans, your njahe, this would be the right place. Drawer mats, if you want to line your drawers with something pretty and easy to clean, you can get these drawer mats. We have this mug, so if you're into photography. But the one fun fact, I am a professional wedding photographer, so I know most of you didn't know that, but this could be a very good present for your loved one or someone who is into photography. So serving dishes are these. So they do have a lot of unique kitchen stuff. And for this, we have these unique acrylic spice containers, and this is so nice. And this is small and compact, and it can be used on top of your kitchen countertop. And as you can tell from their page, they have a lot of items. So for this particular giveaway, they are giving away these beautiful jewelry sets. So you can place your earrings, you can do your rings, you can do your necklaces, you can organize them here. And if you'd love to win this, kindly comment down in the comment section below saying that you'd love to win it, and I'll be selecting a winner tomorrow morning. So that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow with my last giveaway. So until tomorrow, bye.